Hi boys and girls, this is a video for online learners for Tuesday, October 27th. And our target is I can add in any order. Remember we talked yesterday about that being the commutative property of addition. Sometimes people call it the order property or flip-flop facts, meaning we can flip the order that we put them in, okay? But let's talk a little bit about them before we go on with our other activities. Remember, when I have a math mountain, I have a part, and the whole. Okay, so my parts are my add-ins, or the two numbers that I add. I can add them starting here to get my whole, or I can come this way and I can add here. And that works in addition. That's super fine. When we do blank plus blank equals blank, I can add these numbers and I can flip them around. I can take this number and put it here, or this number and put it here. But the way I like to think about it is I can choose the bigger number, the greater number to add. So if I had 6 plus 4 or 4 plus 6, I have both numbers here. I've changed places with them. I can circle the greater number and go from there. 6, let's add on from there 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 to make 10. Or if this is the order that they're in, I can still begin with 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. I have the same exact sum or total or the whole. Okay? So part, whole, remember with our math mountains, we can add in any order. This plus this equals here, or I can say this plus this equals here. Okay? That does not work in subtraction, but in addition it does. Okay, I have a video for you down below. I want you to watch it. The video is about adding in any order, so just exactly what we're talking about. So will you watch that video? When you're done with that video, we're going to work on a worksheet, okay? And this is add in any order, just exactly what we're talking about. I have changed the order of these. I have made it to where it is blank plus blank equals blank. So this will help us a little bit. If you need to draw a math mountain to the side, just like is on the board here, you can do that to help you out, okay? Vernon has 3 big erasers and 6 small erasers. How many erasers does he have? Okay, so we are going to write this here. Vernon has 3 big and 6 small. I'm going to do a math mountain, okay, because this is how I think about it. Okay, he has 3 big erasers and 6 small. 3 plus 6, and we're going to add it here. But I'm going to write it 3 plus 6 and write the total or the sum here. Then I'm going to flip-flop it just for fun. Can you see that okay? Then I'm going to flip-flop it. I'm going to change places. 6 plus 3 and get the same answer. I need to write my sum here and here as well. Okay? Same thing here. Anna has 2 groups of pennies. She has 16 pennies in all. Math mountain, please. You can stop this video to help you. She has 16 pennies in all. So she needs to write the total. This is our total. Where would I write that in my math mountain? Where would I write 16? 16 is the total. This is what I'd have here. 16 is here, so this is going to equal 16. Okay? When she changes the order of the add-ins, the equation is the same. What equation, what 2 parts could I have that would equal 16? You can come up with any 2 numbers that equal 16, and it does not matter what order they're in, because we know that the commutative property lets us put them in any order. Okay? I'd like you to do that here. Okay? Write the sum. You're going to add these up, and then you're going to change the order down below. So add these up, then change the order. You're going to flip-flop them, put the 8 first, and then the 6, and see if you get the same answer. Same thing here. 5 plus 4, find your sum, and then switch them to 4 plus 5 equals. Okay, does that make sense on what you're going to do? Okay. If you need to stop this video and rewind it, you can. That should help you if you need help that way. On the back side of this is another bubble in activity, okay? All right. I would like you to do a math mountain here. Kelly has 5 pencils. Or Kevin, I'm sorry. Kevin has 5 pencils. Kelly has 3 pencils. 5 and 3. Okay? Which equation could you use? I want you to write it here and then find the equation that would help you. Make sure they don't trick you. Down below, same thing. We're going to do a math mountain to help us diagram our thinking. Okay? Mike has 9 grapes. Then he eats 9 grapes. Then he eats 7 more. How many grapes does he eat in all? Find the total number of grapes. Mike uses 7 plus 9. So he has 9 grapes and he eats 7. He used 7 plus 9 or 9 plus 7. Which other addition equation could he use? Is there a different way I could do this? I could go this way, 7 plus 9. But can I go this way as well with the commutative property? Which one of these shows that? Okay. And down below, this is a tricky question. Nicole picks 7 peaches from the tree. Then she picks 2 more peaches. 7 peaches from the tree. Then she picks 2 more. What equation could you write here? Okay? All right? I want you to be thinking about that. We just need to exercise our math brain to be doing that. I dropped something. Hold on. I keep dropping things today. What is going on? Okay. So make sure you're doing that. If you need to stop the video, you can. The last thing you're going to do today is this star racer. Pretty cinchy. I'm looking at this. My spy eyes are telling me that I'm going to be working on subtraction here. Okay. So we're getting smaller. We're not adding. We're subtracting here. So do the star racer, subtract 2's. Okay. That's what you need to do there. 4 science today. If you'll go down below, there is a mystery science on bats. Okay. And the question that a child asked was, do all bats drink blood? What do you think? I wonder what we'll find out. Think about that, and then you can go down and watch that video and see what you can find out about that, okay? Really proud of you. Hope you're doing your homework, making sure that you're being a thinker, because we have to be our own thinkers, right? You can't wait for somebody to tell you to think. You have to be your own thinker. So be a thinker, get all your work done, and I'll see you tomorrow.